Well, the thing that I would say is, for most people get started, keep going, right? Keep at it. And, millionaire, that number, 10 million, whatever the number is, that number is great. Revisit it often, but not all the time, right? Focus on building good engines, sales and marketing engine, your delivery engine, how you do your business, and then your operations and all that sort of stuff. How do you pay your bills and take care of your legal contracts and all those things? Those are your three engines that you have in business, right? So if you focus on those things and you build those things where they're running and they don't need all of your time, then you're going to scale. You're going to have a business that benefits you and benefits the people that work for you, right? And you'll grow, you'll get there. But the number, you'll get there. Just be consistent, keep at it, and focus on, acquiring customers. How do you do that? Do that really well. Lower the cost of doing that, and make sure you're making profit. Not just revenue.
Awesome.
That's it.